Next concepts in rotational dynamics are centripetal force and centrifugal force. Firstly, look towards centripetal force. Centripetal force is acting along the radius towards center of circle. If any body in circular motion, always at any position of that particle, centripetal force acts along the radius and always towards the center of circle. It is requirement of circular motion. Circular motion is maintained only due to centripetal force. If there is no centripetal force, there is no circular motion. Generally it is taken as negative since radius is acting towards outwards and force is acting towards center. Both are in opposite direction, therefore it is considered as negative. Cpf is equal to minus mv square r by r. Examples of centripetal force: consider the gravitational force acting on moon which is revolving around earth. Here the force of gravitation acts always along radius and towards center of circle, therefore gravitational force here acts as centripetal force. Therefore it is the property of force but not the type of force. This is all about centripetal force. Now look towards centrifugal force. Centrifugal force again acting along radius but it is outward from the center. Along radius but outward from the center. It is the byproduct of that circular motion. If there is circular motion, there is centrifugal force. There is no circular motion, there is no centrifugal force. It is considered as positive, is plus mv square by r. Example: force exerted on water particles of clothes in dryer of washing machine. Here must be considered that it is non-real but not imaginary force. It is not imaginary force but it is non-real force.